Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I certainly know the last one to exit hell and the last one to enter paradise. He is the one who will come out of hell dragging in supine position. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say to him, Go enter paradise. When he enter paradise, he will think that paradise is full to capacity. So he will return and submit to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, paradise has filled. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon will say to him, Go enter paradise. He will go and again think that paradise is full. So he will again return and submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I have found paradise pegged out. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon will say, Go enter paradise. You will get a place equal to the world and 10 times as much in paradise. That man will submit, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are kidding me, whereas you are the real master. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu says that he at this saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughing to such an extent as his holy molars got exposed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, It is the lowest rank of the inmates of paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 460.